Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Sunday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some new Dollar General digital coupons to clip to our accounts, and we have a new glitch with overage this morning. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so looking at our March 2022 insert schedule, this does say that we are supposed to be receiving a save insert and a smart source insert. Now, it is still pretty early, so I have not been out to check my Sunday newspapers, but yesterday I did go over the new smart source insert, which will be in today's Sunday newspapers. And also, don't forget, today we have new free printable coupons on Inbox Dollars. Now, anytime I'm printing off coupons, I always go through Inbox Dollars because they actually pay you to print off the coupons, and then they're going to pay you again once you use those coupons in the store. And if you're not already signed up for Inbox Dollars, I do have a video on how to sign up and use Inbox Dollars where I'll walk you through all the different ways that you can earn money through Inbox Dollars. So I'm going to leave that video linked in the pinned comment down below along with my referral link. So if you click on that link and sign up, you're going to get a $5 sign up bonus. So definitely go and check it out. I use this app all the time. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right into our new Dollar General digital coupons. Now, as always, I recommend that y'all sign in on the website on Sundays to clip your new digital coupons to your account. That way they all show up all at once. You can clip them and you're good to go for the week. Versus when you use the app, they kind of trickle in and you kind of have to keep refreshing, and it is possible that you could miss clipping some coupons to your account. So I always sign in on the website, and then I'll check the app throughout the week for new digitals. Alright, so this week is kind of a slow week at DG, but we do have a few good deals and some overages. So let's go ahead and jump in here, shall we? So, of course, go ahead and clip your 5 off 25 for Saturday. Next up, we have a 5 off 20 Gain DG store coupon. So that is awesome to see that back. Now, this one does expire at the end of the week. So if y'all want to do some Gain deals, we're going to have to do it before Saturday. Next up, we have 4 off 4 for the Body Armor drinks. So you're basically saving $1 by using this coupon. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Gain laundry products. So those are now priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. But again, we can stack that with that DG store coupon. Next up, 125 off 1 for the All or Snuggle products. So these, a lot of them are priced at $4.50 for the Snuggle products, but this is working on the 40 count sheets. That's the lowest priced item. Those are $2.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. So I think that is a really good deal. Now, the 1 off 1 for Breeze product, that is an older coupon, but those are priced at $3. After the coupon, you'd pay $2. But we do have a higher value coupon of 3 off 2 that still hasn't expired yet, so I'm going to leave that one alone. Next up, we have 4 off 2 for the Snuggle products. So those are on sale, 2 for $9. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5 for 2. We have 150 off 1 for the Purex liquid laundry detergent. Those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. We have 2 off 1 for the Tide laundry products. So those are priced at $9.95. After the coupon, you're going to pay $7.95. I cannot believe these prices sometimes, guys. Alright, next up we have a 3 off 2 for the Colgate toothpaste. This coupon did not glitch this week, unfortunately, but it is working on the Max Fresh toothpaste. Those are on sale 2 for $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2 for 2. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Downy products. Those are priced at $10.95. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $8.95. We have 75 cents off for the Country Crock, or I can't believe it's not butter, products. So the Country Crock is a little bit cheaper. Those are priced at $2.65. So after the coupon, you'd pay $1.90. We have 1 off 1 for the Meow Mix. So if you want to pick up the 3.15 pound bags, those are priced at $4.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. We have a new 4 off 1 for the Chic disposable razors. So this is only working on the Skintimate women's razors, just like you see on the picture on the coupon there. But I think it's like a purple packaging. So those are priced at $6. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. Next up, 2 off 1 for the Rolaids, Dulcolax, or Zantac products. Sorry, that's a tongue twister. All right, so the Dulcolax, those are priced at $5.75. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.75. Zantac, those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3. But this coupon is glitching, and it is working on the 6-count Rolaids. There are 2 of them, okay? So one is priced at $2.50. So after the coupon, you'd pay just 50 cents. Those are in a little box. And then we have the 6-count. You'll probably find these up near the register. They kind of look like they're in a little gum pack. So those are priced at $1.50. So after the coupon, that would make it completely free, plus giving you 50 cents in overage. So that is very good to see there. And it's kind of a new glitch. We haven't had this one as far as digitals go. All right, next up, we have 50 cents off 2 for the Suave Body Wash. That's an older coupon there. We have a higher value Unilever coupon. That's a 1 off 2, I believe. Next up, we have a 2 off 1 for the Edge or Skintimate Shave Gels. Those are $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $1, which is a great deal. Next up, 1 off 1 for the Honey Bunches of Oats cereals. Those are priced at $3. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2. But these are on sale this week, 3 for $6. So I'm going to see if we can match up a couple of other coupons and see if we can get 3 boxes of cereal for super cheap. Next up, another really good deal, 2 off 1 for the Playtex Sport tampons. So those are priced at $3.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $1.50. There's an older Head and Shoulders coupon, the older Suave coupon for the hand soap. We have 2 off 2 for the Carefree or Stay Free products. So if you want to pick up the Carefree liners, those are priced at $3.25. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50 for 2. We have extra. We have Friskies, $1.50 off 1 for the 12-pound bags of cat food. Those are priced at $12.75. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $11.25. We have an Older Degree coupon. I think we got that last week. We have 1 off 1 for the Benadryl. So the cream is priced at $4.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $3.50. There's the Degree men's deodorant. I think we have higher value coupons in the Unilever. That's why I did not clip those last week. We have 1 off 1 for the Sour Punch candies. Now, I'm not certain about this, but if my memory serves me correctly, I think these are priced at around $2. So after the coupon, you'd pay just $1, but I will definitely try to double check and find those at my store to scan those. All right, 3 off 1 for the Downy. That one wasn't pulling up anything. We have 4 off 1 for the Schwarzkopf hair color. Those are priced at $11, so after the coupon, you're going to pay $7. We have Claritin. We have a 5 off 2 for the Clairol hair colors. Those are priced at $7, so pick up 2. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 2. Now, we do have a lower value coupon that you're going to see here in just a second, but I always clip these. I don't color my hair, but I always clip these just to make sure that I have them on my account, just in case a clearance event pops up, because those are really good to have on your account to take advantage of overages. Next up, Pepsid. So those are pretty expensive there at $10.25, but we'll go ahead and clip it. This Bud Light rebate, if you clip it to your account, you have to put in your PayPal information. So if you guys are interested in that, go ahead and do that, but I'm going to pass on that one for now. We have 50 cents off for the DG Health Pain Relief. So those are priced at $2.50. After the coupon, you're going to pay $2. So, and that is on the 100 count ibuprofen. There's that 2 off 1 for the Clairol hair color. We have 1 off 1 for the Rexall mouthwash. Those are priced at $3.25. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $2.25. True Living bath tissue. Those are priced at $6.50. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $5.50. There's the Biore coupon from last week, I do believe. So those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4.50. I'll go ahead and clip that one now. We have 1 off 1 for the Rexall vitamins. So if you want to pick up the vitamin D3, those are priced at $2. So after the coupon, you're going to pay just $1. So again, this week we have a lot of deals that are just $1. Next up, we have a DG store coupon for 3 off 2 for the Garnier Fructis or Whole Blends hair care products. Now, I'm not sure because I did not get a save insert. I haven't went out and picked up my newspaper yet today to check, but if you guys did receive manufacturer insert coupons that'll go along with this DG store coupon, you could definitely stack those together and get an amazing deal. Usually those insert coupons are like 3 off 2. So that would be a great deal, but I don't get those coupons in my area anymore, unfortunately. But anyways, with this 3 off 2, you can pick up the Garnier fruit teas. Those start out at $3 each. So it's basically buy one, get one. You pay $3 for 2. If you want to pick up the whole blends, those are priced at $3.50. So pick up 2 after the coupon. You're going to pay $4 for 2. Next up, Kiss nails. The press-on nails, those are priced at $5. So after the coupon, you're going to pay $4. We have 1 off 1 for the DG Health Allergy. Those were a little bit expensive at $7.50. And we have a 1 off 3 for the Coca-Cola 12 packs. So those are on sale this week, 3 for $12. After the coupon, you're going to pay $11 for 3. And down here is one that we received later on in the week last week for the Suave Pink products, 1 off 1. So those are priced at $5. After the coupon, you're going to pay $4. And I'm pretty sure that we do have Unilever insert coupons that we can stack with that. All right, guys, and I have one more digital coupon that I wanted to talk to y'all about before we go today. So, as some of y'all know, I'm sure you saw my post in the community tab yesterday, or hopefully a lot of you all did. But we did receive this 3 off 15 DG store coupon for food items. So, amazing coupon. Anytime we can get deals on food products, we want to grab those up, right? Make sure that we have those clipped to our accounts. Now, unfortunately, not all accounts will receive this digital coupon. In fact, I only received it on 1 account. Now, Debra received it on 2 accounts, so it's just kind of hit or miss whether you get this coupon or not. Now, like I said, I did make a post about this in the community tab yesterday, so if you didn't read that post, go and check that out because there's a lot of good notes in that post for you guys. But basically, this coupon is glitching and it is working with the 5 off 25. So it's basically kind of working like the gain coupons where we get the 5 off 20 or the 5 off 30 and they stack with the 5 off 25. Now, they're not supposed to because they are 2 DG store coupons, but they are. But this one is. So if we do an all food deal on Saturday, we should have a total of $8 coming off versus just $5 off. Now, like I said, unfortunately, not everyone will receive this digital coupon on their account, but if you do, please come back and let me know in the comment section if you received this coupon. That way I can kind of see how many people out there have it, whether we should do some daily deals or just put together some 5 off 25 deals. Let me know what you guys would be interested in seeing, okay? Now, the other thing that I want to say about this is it was a little bit hard for me to find, so I actually signed in on the website on all of my accounts. I went through each one that I had, and on the one that I did find it on, I had all of my recommended coupons up at the top, and it was the very first coupon that I saw, okay? Now, Debra actually found her 3 off 15 in the app. So you can open up your app and click on the wallet tab, and then it should be right there at the top under your deals. I think it even had like a little heart beside it or something. You click on that and it'll open up another page and your 3 off 15 will be right there if you have it available on your account. So there you have it. There's the basic rundown on this 3 off 15 DG store coupon. But again, go and check out my community post that I made yesterday if you haven't already. Alright guys, so that is it for our new Dollar General digital coupons. Again, it's a little bit of a slow week. We do have a few really good deals though, and you just never know with Dollar General. You don't know what's going to happen or pop up by Tuesday or Wednesday. So make sure that you tune back in and check out the good deals and glitch list video. I'm going to go through the inserts and make sure that we have all of our coupon matchups covered, see what we can stack with those DG store coupons, and bring you guys some awesome deals. And also, before y'all go, don't forget that I do have a giveaway going on right now. And tomorrow is the last day that you guys can sign up. So I'm going to leave the video with all the details in the pinned comment down below. So y'all go check out that video and make sure that you are signed up to win, because I will be giving away 4 gift cards to Amazon or Walmart, whichever one the winner chooses. But make sure that you guys are signed up so that you have a chance to win, all right? So like I said, I'm going to leave that one linked in the pinned comment down below as well. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video and I really hope it was helpful for you. Now before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so because we would love to have you as a part of our crazy couponing family here. Also, please hit that thumbs up button because it is a free way and an easy way that you can help support my channel. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a minute to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day and I will see you on the next one.